We have a nation versus nation bout here in Tajikistan, taking on Tajikistan.
And Togo takes one in the blue corner, representing Wales. And in the red corner, representing Israel.
Nice control of distance. And these two looking to have a little bit of a striking match. Seen a lot of grappling today. Interesting kicks. Spinning back kick from the red corner and a smile. These two are teammates inside. And this bout is in our semi-finals. So a lot at stake. Guaranteed silver medal. Whoever can take this one. Nice shot, but beautifully timed takedown defense. Swims straight to the back. A little bit overzealous with it though, and ends up on his back because of it. See how active the guard is. 2-on-1 on the wrist. Maybe going to look to swing this up for an armbar attempt. Gets the legs together. Maybe going to try and pendulum swing that leg and get more pressure, but gives up on the arm. Not quite sure what's going on here. Stopped for a little bit of a stretch. Again, teammates, a little bit of a interesting dynamic there. Referee said you can't just stop like that. It's just the respect from his Tajikistan teammate that allowed him to do that. Boy, beautiful body kick on the break there from the blue corner. Controlling the distance well with the legs. Stifling game this. Can't quite get him for takedowns. Very reactive wrestling, beautiful spinning attack from the red corner. Seems to be a little bit more dominant on the feet. Blue corner desperate for this takedown, manages to get it though. Needs to be careful of this triangle attempt. No arm in, triangle can maybe pass over the top. Going for a teepee. Struggling a little bit with the gloves. The red corner, a couple times, had to adjust. Trying to shut past is the blue. An interesting fight this. Nation versus nation. A lot of respect between the two. We're moving to our final 10 seconds. Gets another dump and another takedown from the blue corner. Super important here now to leave a good impression on the judges. Two on one on the head, creates a frame. Tries to work those legs up, maybe going to search for a normal platter here, or even a go-go platter. Very rare we see one of those. And the fight's brought to a finish. Well, Tajikistan definitely going to get someone in the finals. Let's find out who it is. Blue corner takes the victory and show respect. Taking a picture together here. Tajikistan. Overzealous early on the red corner. Maybe cost them a little bit. Slipped off the back and allowed the blue corner some top position.